Tetris Premium. Good morning. We're here sa labas ng Airbnb. It's 5 a.m. We're going to Bangkal Port for our Gigantes Island tour.
Ano sila?
Nasa sasyon. Buhay na siya. Nakakagulat siya. Bangkal. Bagsakan. Bangkal. Doon yung registration. So, we're waiting. So, pare-pareho ng time. Ata. So, ang daming tao. Ayan. Hi, Bijo! I'm writing a boat for you guys. Thank you so much!
That will make it to the vlog. Wow. Ay, wow.
Ilan kayo, ma'am?
5 po.
Doon kayo, ma'am. Diretso kayo doon sa likuran git, ma'am, para hindi masyadong mainit doon.
Okay. We're here at our second stop. Dito din kami magla-lunch. It's 11:40 a.m.
Tugtugin mo yung tugtog niya. Tugtog niya. Bayad niya.
Isa pa!
Pepsi.
Sasakay kami sa smaller boat. Kasi jellyfish season na eh. So yun, hintay lang namin. Makasakay kami. Sakay tayo ng small boat.
Ma'am, taas, ma'am. Sorry
po. This is our lunch. So may scallop, may crabs, tinola. Let's eat. And there's pakwan. Naiwan kami ni Jo. Okay. Done.
Last two standing.
Last one.
Plate reveal.
No. Sobrang slay namin ni Jo. We carried the entire team. eating! Let's go back to the small boat. Small boat! Almost here sa famous spot sa Gigantes Island. Yung spot na yun yung may mga overlooking photos. So other side. So doon ka sa rock na yun. Rock? Is it a rock? I'm not sure. But we'll go there and then, well, hindi ko ata madadalaga yung vlogging cam. So I'll just show you the photos. Sa last stop na kami sa Antonias.
Mata mo.
Hello! Hi, Loris! Hi! We're at Solina. Finally, it's 7 p.m. Maulan, kaya parang almost 2 hours yung biyahe namin pabalik. Hello, Gab! Mamaya na ako magka-cabin tour. After dinner and everything. Everybody! We're going out for dinner. Dinner! Because we're hungry. Hunger. Fresh.
Yes.
Fresh but
Finally.
hungry.
Fresh from the heart. Fresh, sunburnt, and hungry.
Yes. Pinangungan. So fun. Ano? Pinangungan. So So, this is Solina's restaurant. Nag-dinner kami kanina. Now, we're waiting for the bill. So, we can go walk. Ang ganda ng pool na lang lang. Forest settings.
Kaya ako prefer ito.